the Turner software, which does your engine and transmission all in one. Gives you the most up-to-date SMG software available. And then the beautiful stuff that they do with the engine software. So this is supposed to be guaranteed 30 wheel horsepower and an extra 25 torque. And for all you guys wondering, I figured it was all going to be like up top on the higher RPM scale, but this car is actually making a lot more power down low compared to before. Between doing the brakes, building the exhaust properly, getting rid of the converters, and doing the software, this is not even the same car to drive anymore. It's night and day the difference. No dynos around locally that I can get into right now to see what it's actually making, but if it's 507 stock, between the AFE Pro Dry filters, the Sprint booster, all the little things I get done to this, it's got to be getting up there handy to 600. There's just no way that it isn't. You probably can't see it in the video, but even with the new software, the heads-up display, your yellow bar is different compared to what it was before, and the red bar is just a little tiny, little skinny piece down in the far end. I went with the 8500 RPM software. It's only 300 more than factory, but like in the lower gears, you're way less likely to hit off limiter when you come onto it. And you know, in a race situation, or if you're on a track really wanting to put a time down, you can wrap your third and fourth gear out. I mean, I wouldn't suggest keeping it there long durations, but just night and day the way you can push and drive this car compared to the way it was before. I'm not sure if you can see the heads-up display there to see the difference. The camera probably won't show it, but if it does, you'll notice the red line is very, very narrow and the yellow line is much wider than before. And I believe even the green line's over farther. So we're going to go up here to Mexico and do some polls. And we're probably going to get a few with the truck as well, but there's nowhere to fasten this stupid GoPro in this car that I can get a good video. Especially not like you see the RPMs there. It wasn't up in the RPMs at all, and it was fucking tearing. So Turner software, no complaints, no issues, nothing funny happened. Everything went the way it was supposed to. When you pay for professional software, that's what you should get. So those guys are great. All kinds of nothing bad to say about them, we'll put it that way. So I'm going to stop this because I got to putt through here and we'll get some good stuff later. I just wanted to talk to you about the differences it made. the gas and hold the shifter forward. Let go. Man, she burned right through second gear. Holy. Wow.